Welcome back, everybody. Okay, so this job is going to be a big job. As you can tell, we got the very old carpet, original panels with wallpaper. So what we're going to do, of course, remove this carpet, add baseboard. When you do hardwood, you need baseboard. I'll be painting all walls and ceilings and trim, new blinds. It's going to be a complete new makeover. Can't wait to see what it looks like once it's finished. Into the hall, most likely they're going to do linoleum or those vinyl tile squares. Make a right. We got the bathroom. Tub looks fine. I'll probably just be adding shower walls, like a shower wall kit. Of course, we're going to need to do some flooring work there, toilet seat, paint the cabinets, new sink right there, maybe removing that. And that's it for this bathroom. We go down into the kitchen, which will be either doing the same as the laundry room, the tile squares, or linoleum. Looks like they want to paint the cabinets. And all wallpaper in this house is going to get painted. All wallpaper. So that's going to be a huge change. Let's turn back around into the living room. We got the blue carpet, which of course, that's going to be brand new hardwood. And we'll be adding baseboard, of course, throughout the whole house. All walls will be painted. Be removing all those mirrors. All these walls will be painted, brand new blinds. We go down this hall. Oh yeah, this door, gonna need a brand new door. I'll be installing that. Down the hall will be a free flow with the hardwood in one piece. And it's also gonna free flow. What I mean by free flow is no transitions separating the rooms. It's just gonna be hardwood. So it's gonna look like one giant floor. As for this bedroom, same thing. Brand new paint, brand new hardwood. It's blue now. It's going to be yellow once I'm finished. Painting that ugly popcorn. Hardwood in that closet. I'll be painting this door. Down the hall again. Okay, so this bathroom, it's going to be brand new linoleum. I'll be painting and replacing the counter and sink, painting the cabinets, painting all the walls, adding new trim where we're missing trim there. I'll definitely be removing this and replacing that. And as far as I can tell, I'll be removing and replacing that tub. So yeah, this house is going to look 100% different. Blue carpet again will be replaced with hardwood. All these walls will be getting painted. So it's going to look so much different. I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like once finished. And that's pretty much it. This is a single wide, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, not that big, but it will be a big change. I know that. So if you guys can't wait to see what it looks like when I'm finished, it should take me just under a month. I'm by myself and there's tons and tons of work. But if you guys really want to see what it looks like, please stay tuned. And yeah, that's it. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment. Please subscribe, give me thumbs up. Any support would help a lot. And yeah, thank you guys.